If you have minced meat and a few vegetables at home, you are about to make one of the most delicious dinners nobody is talking about. On this note, you're welcome back to Mum Essy Recipes. Today, I'm sharing a very rare gem, a minced meat and a vegetable dinner that is simple, delicious and budget friendly. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Start first by heating up the pot and then adding in the vegetable oil into it. After that, make sure you have chopped your onions and then you pour it in as soon as the oil is heated. Remember, the choice of the onions does not matter. Any color goes in this recipe, but I chose the red onions. And once this has cooked up, add in the minced meat. For the purpose of this video, I am using the chicken, the turkey and the beef minced meat. When you notice that the color has started changing, then you start adding in your dried ingredients. But at this time, we are just adding in the minced meat, and you can see how that is going. This is the beef and here is the turkey. The first one was the chicken, the second one was the beef, and the third one was the turkey. And you can see all these are just going so well. Just stir and allow that to cook a little from low to medium heat. Don't use a high heat to do this because it's just going to burn. So we don't want a burning minced meat. So that is why we are doing this. So take your time, don't rush it, and do the needful. Remember, the color has to change before you add in your dried ingredients. So from what we are seeing here, we have observed that this has cooked up to what we are looking for to start adding in our dried ingredients. Here I added in the seasoning cube. After the seasoning cube, I added in the thyme, and after I'm adding in the black pepper, and at this time my daughter have finished chopping up the potatoes into cubes. She did this job and she just brought it to me. Here she's adding in salt for me, and then I added in the curry. In fact, I want to know in the comment section, do you allow your children to help you in the kitchen? If you are not doing that, my sister, you are getting it wrong. Always encourage them to come and assist where it is necessary. So I added in the nutmeg, I added in the soy sauce. Remember, all list of ingredients will be in the description box, so at your convenience, make use of it. I also added in grounded pepper, and that is because I love it a little spicy. People, this is like a soup potato with minced meat, and people, this was just worth it for a dinner. A great dinner idea. Eat light and go to bed and you will wake up stronger. Okay, so this is what we have, as you can rightly see, and this has been stirred and stirred. And remember, at this point, boil your hot water. Make sure your water is at a 100-degree boiling level so that later on you will add it into this. That was just what I did. Look at my daughter trying to stir that, and then I came and added in my hot water, and then I scooped another one, and then I added in 2 batches of water so that the cooking process will not be slowed down. That is why you need hot water into your cooking. Once you're already cooking something, make sure you have hot water so that the cooking process will not be slowed down. So you can see I took the spatula from my daughter and I just turned and I cover. You can see it's almost boiling up just because we added in hot water. And now I'm adding in the carrot. My carrot was already frozen. I made my children cut it, then I stored it in the freezer. And here I added in the green peas. All list of ingredients. These are the basic vegetables that I added in this recipe, and people, it was worth it. At this point, we are preparing the thickener, and I'm just going to be using my all-purpose flour, and then I'll add in water to get the liquid. Once I have this liquid, I'll just be pouring it into this recipe. And people, when we cook that for about 2 minutes, this is ready. Let me tell you, you can eat this with your rice, you can eat it with bread, you can eat it with anything you deem fit. You can even decide to make a dough and convert this into your meat pie. Did I get somebody here? Yes, I did. You can see how this is looking. Look at this, look at this, look at, it's even coming together. Remember, we are not intending to make it to be thick. It has to be liquid, like it has to be in a liquid form so that it doesn't turn to eba while we are chewing or eating it with something. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is what it is. People, this is ready as far as I am concerned, but for this video it has to cook, okay? So this is what it is. So healthy, your children will love it. Let me tell you, you can actually give it to a baby, blend it to puree and let that baby enjoy. Nothing is missing for this baby here. The baby will love it. Mine enjoyed it, and that is why I'm telling you to try it for yours.
Mum Essy cooking up magic like stars above.
So people, we are almost rounding up this video, and you can see everything is ready. At this point, like this video, share to your friends and families. Also leave a resounding comment at the end, and in case you're new, hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. Remember to check out all other recipes on my channel. I also have baby recipes on my channel. If you know you enjoyed this recipe, please don't go with my like on this video. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and I will definitely be happy to see you in the next one. Thanks everyone for watching up to this time, and I will see you in the next episodes. Remain blessed. Bye bye.